Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn on the disappearing message for 24 hours on your Instagram. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to turn on the disappearing message 24 hours disappearing message on your Instagram chat. I just going to show in this video, and this is for a particular account, not for all the chat on your Instagram. So an example, I just need to set this for a particular account. Just click on the profile first, then you just need to click on the profile on the top. Now you have the option called disappearing messages. Click on this, and you have the 24 hours option on the third position. Just click on this. So after click this, just come back to your profile. You can see you will turned on the disappearing messages. A new message and reaction will disappear 24 hours after everyone has seen them. So you can just change whenever you just need it, or you can just turn it off by click on the change option. So this is how you just turn on the 24 hours disappearing message option on your Instagram chat. I think this video, I do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet a next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.